Now the question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in ratio 5:4. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present age? Okay, in question number 9, ratio of the ages of Rahul and Harun are given, which is 5:7. After 4 years, the sum of their ages is 56, and we have to find their present age. Okay, so we have to find the present age. So we have to let their present age and present age of Rahul. सो रेशियो है, मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में भी आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था, जब भी रेशियो तो आप रेशियो किससे रिमूव करोगे, एक वेरिएबल, और वेरिएबल हम लेते हैं एक्स. तो यहाँ राहुल और हरुण की एज का रेशियो है. तो प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ राहुल क्या हो जाएगा 5x एंड प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ हरुण इज 7x, क्योंकि ये रेशियो में दिया है. मैं रेशियो ऑलरेडी आपको एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में, तो आपको वो क्वेश्चन एक बार फिर से देख लेना फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Okay, so first we let the present age of Rahul and Harun. Then we have to add 4 in their present ages. Both दोनों की present age में 4 को add करना है, because it is given 4 years later, means after 4 years the sum of their age is 56. तो after 4 years के लिए अगर for example if your age is 14 now, which is your present age, so what is will be your age after 4 years? So 14 plus 4 which is 18, मतलब आपको आपके प्रेजेंट एज में 4 को प्लस करना है. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट वी हैव टू ऐड 4 इन द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ राहुल एंड प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ हरुण. 5x एंड 7x उनकी प्रेजेंट एज है. एंड व्हेन वी ऐड 5x दैट आफ्टर एजेस ऑफ देयर 4 years later their sum is 56. Okay, let's see the solution of question number 9. Okay, first we'll write the given part. So what is given? Ratio of the ages of Rahul and Harun, and their ratio is 5:7. Okay, so now we'll let the present age of Rahul. Okay, what is the present age of Rahul? I already explained you in question. Rahul 5x. ठीक है, क्योंकि राहुल यहाँ नाम पहले गिवन है, तो पहला रेशियो क्या है 5. सेकेंड हरुण, सो सेकेंड रेशियो 7. तो प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ राहुल इज 5x एंड प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ हरुण इक्वल 7x. Now after 4 years, so after 4 years age of Rahul after 4 years, so present age of Rahul is 5x, so after 4 years 5x plus 4. Just I gave you the example in the explanation of question. If your present age is 14, so what will be your age after 4 years is 14 plus 4. Just like that, if present age of Rahul is 5x, then the age after 4 years is 5x plus 4. We are adding 4 to their present age, so 5x plus 4. And age of Harun, if Harun present age is 7x, then the Harun's age after 4 years is 7x plus 4. Okay, now it is given after 4 years sum of their ages is 56. So now according to question, sum of their ages, so age of Rahul 5x plus 4 sum, so we'll add them, and Harun's age is 7x plus 4 is 56, so equals to 56. Now we'll open the bracket, so 5x plus 4 as it is, and 7x plus 4 is also remain as it is, equal 56. So add the like terms, so 5x plus 7x 12x, 4 plus 4 8 equal 56. Here we have to find the value of x. So first we'll transfer 8 to 12x equal 56 plus 8 becomes minus 8. 56 minus 8 is 48. 12x equal 48. Now x equal 48 upon 12. 12 is in the product form with variable x. So the transformation of 12 is 48 upon 12. So 12 fours are 48. So value of x is 4. Now we got the value of x, but we have to find the percentage. And present age of Rahul is 5x. So 5 into value of x is 4. So 5 into 4. And present age of Harun is 7x. So 7 into 4. So now present age of Rahul. So here we let present age of Rahul is 5x. So 5 and value of x is 4. So 5 into 4, 20. So present age of Rahul is 20 years. So Rahul is 20 years old. And present age of Harun. And we let present age of Harun is 7x. So 7 into value of x is 4. So 7 into 4 which is 28. So 28 years. So Harun is 20 years old. That's it. And this we have to find. Okay. Always in the जब भी आपको कोई क्वेश्चन आता है एज से रिलेटेड जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आपको उसमें सबसे पहले प्रेजेंट एज लेट करना है. अगर रेशियोज नहीं है तो हम प्रेजेंट एज एक्स लेट करते हैं. अगर रेशियो है तो फिर उस रेशियो से रिलेट करके उसको हम लेट करते हैं. दैट्स इट.